Here are 40 common sentences for writing emails. For opening the email. 1. I hope this email finds you well. 2. I'm writing to follow up on our previous conversation. 3. I wanted to reach out regarding mention specific topic. 4. I hope you're having a great day. 5. I wanted to quickly touch base about mention topic. 6. I'm writing to inform you about mention specific matter. 7. I'm reaching out to ask for your advice on mention topic. 8. I'm emailing to check the status of mention specific issue. 9. Thank you for your email. I appreciate your quick response. 10. I'd like to introduce myself or my company. For making requests. 11. Could you please provide more details about mentioned topic? 12. Would it be possible to schedule a meeting? 13. I'd appreciate it if you could send me the required documents. 14. Can you confirm if this works for you? 15. Please let me know if you need any additional information. 16. Could you clarify the following points? 17. I'd like to request an update on mention specific task. 18. Let me know if there's anything I can do to assist you. 19. Can you share your availability for a quick call? 20. I'd appreciate your feedback on this matter. For providing information. 21. Here are the details you requested. 22. Please find the attached file for your reference. 23. This is a reminder about specific event or task. 24. I've included the necessary information below. 25. Let me know if you have any questions about this. 26. As discussed, here is the updated version. 27. The deadline for this task is specific date. 28. Our meeting is scheduled for date time. 29. The following points outline the next steps. 30. I'd like to update you on the progress of specific project. For closing the email. 31. Looking forward to your response. 32. Thank you for your time and assistance. 33. Please let me know if you need anything further. 34. Feel free to reach out if you have any concerns. 35. I'm happy to discuss this further if needed. 36. Thank you for considering my request. 37. I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. 38. I'll wait for your confirmation. 39. Best regards, your name. 40. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. These sentences can help structure professional and clear emails.